Looking for the best phone cases for boys but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best phone cases for boys based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. KANGHAR iPhone 13 designed. If you're the type of person who wants to make a bold statement with your phone, this stylish cross-pattern case is the way to go. It's specifically designed for the 6.1-inch iPhone 13, so make sure you confirm your model before buying. The real game changer here is the level of protection, a flexible TPU bumper that absorbs shocks and a raised edge that safeguards your screen and camera. It's not just about looks, although the sleek design is definitely eye-catching. What I love is how it's thoughtfully crafted with precise cutouts for all your essential ports and sensors, making it easy to install and remove. This case is perfect for anyone who wants to add a touch of edgy style to their iPhone, and it delivers on both form and function, giving you full body protection and a sleek look that's hard to ignore. Number 4. Temdan CXXFCG IP14 compatible. If you're an active person who's always on the go, this case is perfect for you. It's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. The standout feature here is the super strong magnetic ring that's safe and reliable, allowing for fast and wireless charging anywhere, anytime. It's also compatible with a range of accessories like chargers and car mounts, making it super convenient. The hands-free stand is another game changer. It's stable and solid, and the viewing angle is more reasonable, so you can binge watch or video call without any issues. Plus, with its trusted shockproof design, you can drop your phone from any angle without worrying about a thing. It's been put to the test thousands of times and comes out unscathed. The premium translucent matte material feels silky to the touch and is easy to clean, and the non-slip grip design keeps it securely in your hand. Overall, it's a reliable and convenient way to protect your phone and enjoy a seamless user experience. Number 3. TnXee H2505268281139 case compatible. This phone case is a game changer for anyone who's ever lost sleep over a dropped phone. Its double-layer protection is like having a personal bodyguard for your device. It shields against scratches, collisions, and vibrations, giving you peace of mind in your daily life. Whether you're a clumsy phone user or just want to keep your phone looking brand new, this case has got you covered. What I love about it is how effortlessly it slips in and out of pockets, making it perfect for anyone on the go. The advanced printing technology is also a standout feature, producing authentic colors and a level of realism that's hard to find elsewhere. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a reliable, stylish, and easy-to-use phone case that won't let you down. Number 2. flewfun B0FY3QFFCG Magnetic. We've all been there, frantically searching for a charger when we're on the go, and that's exactly why wireless charging on a phone case is a total game changer. It's one less thing to worry about. This case is a great example of that, with a sleek and durable design that's perfect for anyone who's always on the move. The camouflage hybrid pattern is a standout feature, printed with scratch-resistant ink that's going to keep your phone looking fresh for months to come. Plus, the precise cutouts and 1.5mm protrusion will give you peace of mind knowing your screen is protected. It's easy to install, just snap on the silicone layer and add a second piece of printed hard plastic on top. This case is a great gift idea for friends and family, and with its premium materials and stylish color options, it's sure to be a hit. Whether you're giving it as a present or treating yourself, this case is a must-have for anyone who wants a phone case that's both functional and fashionable. Number 1. Miracase 69493123959937. I'm thoroughly impressed with this case. It's a game changer for anyone who's ever dropped their phone, and let's be real, who hasn't at some point or another? The standout feature here is the built-in 9H glass screen protector, which is not only bubble-free but also won't lift up, giving you complete peace of mind when you're out and about. But what really sets it apart is the level of protection it offers. This case has been through a military-grade 8,000 times drop test, so you know it can handle even the toughest situations. Plus, the unique camera control system and rugged full-body design make it easy to grip without compromising on functionality. And if that wasn't enough, it's also got a powerful magnet ring that lets you use all your MagSafe accessories with ease, including wireless charging that's faster, easier, and safer. The crystal clear back never yellows, keeping your phone looking brand new, and the attention to detail in the design is seriously impressive. It's clear the makers put a lot of thought into how to keep your phone safe without getting in the way, making it perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free phone experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.